Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about a topic that I find very important, which is staying organized. I'm going to show you the top apps that I use that keep me organized for both my business and my academy. Now, let's get started right away because we have a lot to talk about. So the first app I want to talk about is the Google Calendar app. Now, this might seem pretty basic, but I want to show you exactly how I use this app to stay organized. So the number one thing that I like to do on my Google Calendar app is to time block. Now, I read a lot of books about millionaire mindsets. I've watched a lot of videos and even listened to podcasts. And the one thing that I saw in common between all these millionaires is the fact that they time block. So this is very important and I've tried it myself and it really does work and keeps you very efficient. So I write down all of my tasks and I time block specific times out on my Google Calendar for them. I also use color coding to keep them organized depending on where the task belongs, whether it's for my business, for Own the Trend, or if it's for my coaching academy. So usually I like to time block my tasks in blocks of 25 minutes, and it's important to note to not divert out of that task for the entire 25 minutes. Just focus on that, and then once you're done the 25 minutes, that's when you can go and check your phone and do all of that. But for the entire 25 minutes, just focus on that task and try to get it done. I also want to show you some really cool features that Google Calendar has. So I'm going to share my screen with you so I can show you exactly how I use all these different features on Google Calendar. All right, so now I'm sharing my screen and I want to show you, first of all, the tabs over here that you have on the right. So this is my actual email. So you have different tabs. The first tab is the Google Calendar tab. And then you have something called Keep and something called Tasks. As you can see here, my current task is YouTube filming. So we are going to go to Keep first of all, and Keep is where it's kind of like, you know, those post-its, the sticker post-its. This is basically like the digital version of that. So this is where I keep all of my notes, and I'm going to blur this out because it has a lot of sensitive information for my business, but I just want to show you the idea of it, that I keep notes over here for, you know, the social media plans that we have, you know, future people that I would like to contact, etc. And then the next thing is the Tasks tab, and this is very important. I'm also going to be blurring the actual tasks out, but you can group your tasks depending on where they belong, whether it's for my coaching business, for my sunglasses business, or personal, and you can check them off once you get them done. So this is really important because I write down all my tasks here first, and then I move them to my Google Calendar and I allocate specific time blocks for them to get them done. So this is a really good way to stay organized and to make sure you're not missing any important tasks that you need to do. Now, the next app, which is not really an app, it's kind of more of a software, is Synder.com. So this is really cool because, and actually very essential, especially when you're running an online e-commerce business on Amazon and Shopify, and you have a lot of different platforms that you're selling on. Synder integrates all of those platforms into one so that you can track your inventory from one dashboard. It's super easy, and you can also track your finances, so you could do your accounting on there. And this is very important because the number one most important thing when you're running your business is to know your numbers. You need to know if you're profiting that month, if you're losing that month. Also, you need to be able to track your inventory correctly. So having everything all over the place is usually very hard to be able to track all of your payments and all of your deposits and everything like that. But with Synder, it integrates everything into one spot so that you are able to track accurately both your accounting and your inventory. Okay, so stepping in from the future over here because I'm super excited to partner up with Synder on a giveaway for you guys. So as you know, I usually don't do any giveaways. I think this is going to be my first giveaway to do over here on my channel, but I'm excited to give free enrollment to my course to one lucky winner, and Synder is going to be giving away 1 year of free membership to their platform as well. So this is a great way for you to get your inventory management right for your business. This is very important, something that I talk about a lot in my course and in my live sessions and my one-on-ones. I always stress the importance of getting your inventory right and your inventory management right, and constantly knowing tracking your numbers. So you're going to be able to do that with Synder, since it's an all-in-one dashboard for accounting and inventory management. So thank you so much, Synder, for partnering with me on this giveaway. I'm going to leave a link down below. It's a super fun quiz. It's actually Squid Games themed, so it's super fun. You just go ahead and answer the questions on that quiz and you will enter the giveaway. So there will be one lucky winner that's going to win the prize, and anybody that enters the giveaway, anybody that answers the quiz, will also get 1 month of free membership to the Synder platform. So they're super generous here. I really recommend you guys take advantage of this. And again, thank you, Synder, for partnering with me on this giveaway. That with Synder, since it's an all-in-one dashboard for accounting and inventory management. So thank you so much, Synder, for partnering with me on this giveaway. I'm gonna leave a link down below. It's a super fun quiz. It's actually Squid Games themed, so it's super fun. You just go ahead and answer the questions on that quiz and you will enter the giveaway. So there will be one lucky winner that's going to win the prize, and anybody that enters the giveaway, anybody that answers the quiz, will also get 1 month of free membership to the Synder platform. So they're super generous here. I really recommend you guys take advantage of this. And again, thank you, Synder, for partnering with me on this giveaway. Moving on to my second app, and this one is essential for my content planning. This app is called Airtable. So this is very important. It's very much like Trello. If you guys are familiar with Trello, I'm able to record all of my YouTube and TikTok video ideas on there and create a workflow for my content planning so that everything is organized and I know exactly where or what stage my project is at the moment. Again, I'm going to share my screen so I could show you guys exactly how I use Airtable to stay organized. All right, so now I'm sharing my screen with you guys, and as you can see, this is my content tracker with Airtable. So I have different workflows right here. First is the queue workflow, which is where I put all of my ideas, and this is my YouTube tab. And then I have my scripting, which is where I write down the main bullet points that I need to mention in that video. So all of these right now are in the scripting stage. So now I know that I need to allocate time to script these YouTube videos. And then I have one video in the filming stage, which is the video that I'm filming right now. And as you can see, I have already scripted the video right here. And then once I'm done, I will put the video in the editing stage so that my video editor knows to now start editing this video. And then once I'm done with this, I'll move it to the SEO stage so that my social media manager knows to go in and optimize this video and search for all the hashtags, the appropriate hashtags and everything like that. And once it's posted on YouTube, that's when I mark it as completed. So this really keeps my content planning organized, and I use the exact same module for my Instagram and my TikTok videos. So everything is in a seamless workflow, and everybody on my team is able to see where the stage of the projects are at the moment. So it's great. And the last app that I would like to mention is my timer app. Now, again, this is super basic, but this really keeps me organized because I am able to time block all of my tasks and focus on them for 25 minutes, as I mentioned earlier in the video. So usually what I would do is I would open up my timer app and set my timer to 25 minutes and keep working on that task until my timer goes off. And if I still haven't finished that task, then I will take a little bit of a break and then come back to it and set my timer again for another 25 minutes until I finish that task. So that is all. I did only mention 4 apps because for you to stay organized, I don't want you to add a bunch of things to your to-do list. I don't want you to add a bunch of things that you need to do to be able to get work done. Really, the main thing with staying organized is to be efficient and to not waste time. So you need to avoid wasting time, and I find that these methods are the most methods that help me avoid wasting time and really cut out all that excess time that I waste just, staring at my laptop or scrolling through, flipping through all the different apps and all the different websites and checking my Shopify and my Instagram. So my main tip that I have for you is to just cut down wasting time on your social media and scrolling through, Instagram and TikTok and everything like that. And hopefully using these apps will help you stay more organized. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you next week.